How to make a Pinterest board. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make a board on Pinterest. So the first thing you want to do is simply open your Pinterest app on your mobile device, and now make sure you are logged into your Pinterest account. Now once you're logged in, on the bottom side of the screen you can see 5 different options. So you'll have to tap on the fifth one, which is your profile. So now once you're on this page, right over here you can see the little plus icon, so simply tap on it. After that, it will basically provide you with 3 different options: idea, pin and a board. So since we are here to create a board, we'll tap on the third one, which says board, and now you'll have to name your board. So let us simply name it demo for this video. And now if you want, you can collab with someone on this board. To do that, you can simply invite collaborators, but if you don't, you can skip this process. And if you want, you can keep this board a secret. So if you toggle this bar on, your board will be hidden from everyone and it will be kept a secret. But if you untoggle this bar, it will become a public board and anyone can view this board on your profile. So once you've done that, simply tap on the next icon on the top right corner of your screen. And now if you want, you can add various pins to your board. So to add pins, simply tap on this plus icon right over here. And once you're done with your selection, simply tap on done on the top right corner of your screen, and there you have it. That is basically how you create a board on Pinterest. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.